Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 reasons that you should consider buying Crypto.com coin. Top 5 reasons why I love Crypto.com coin and why I do believe it is the #1 exchange token out on the market. Now, that being said, Binance token, Binance is a huge exchange, has lead, and FTX is a fierce competitor. But why should Crypto.com be in the top 10? I'm gonna give you 5 reasons today. If you like the content, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing really helps us in producing more of this content and growing the channel so that we can spread the word about crypto out into the community, and that's exactly what we want to do. Keep you guys up to date with the latest and greatest. I'm coming out with 3 videos every single day, but let's hop into the content. So let's check this out here. Looking at the market for the day to start it off, crypto's down. Now, we are currently below $8 trillion again in the crypto market cap, so that's something to note. Cryptos are going down, and crypto's weak overall right now. Bitcoin is back below $20,000, and Ethereum's below 1,500. So we're coming down, and in the last 7 days, Bitcoin's down 5%, and Ethereum a little bit more. Cronos coin is currently sitting at rank number 25, fighting with Near Protocol for 25-26, and only down 3% over the last 7 days. So it really is hanging strong, still at a $3 billion market cap for Crypto.com. Crypto.com. And if you go into the chart, you guys will see, exactly kind of where we're headed. And right now, the answer's, let me scroll up for you guys here. The answer's a little bit sideways. So sideways is good. We like sideways. We don't want to go down. I did make a video about the worst case scenario for Crypto.com yesterday. If you want to check that one out, you can go ahead and jump over to that video. But I'm looking at these charts and I'm thinking we are still trading sideways. We're not going down to that worst case scenario yet. But what are 5 reasons that you should be bullish? Well, reason number 1, Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency exchange. It's an app you can download on your phone. I first downloaded it back in late 2018, early 2019, and I started using the earn feature. I started using that quite a bit. I made quite a bit of money on that Cronos coin as well. Actually, I was tracking the markets pretty much entirely through the app. It's a very user-friendly app, but it's more than that now. They have a DeFi project. They have the Crypto.com DeFi app, and then now they have all these DEXs built on the Cronos chain that you can access through the Crypto.com app. VVS Finance, MMF Finance, Tectontic, which is a lending and borrowing platform, a very good one. So they've got a lot going on. And when you compare that against the other projects out there, it takes up a pretty big piece of the pie. Let me first show you guys the total value locked up in DeFi projects, according to DeFi Llama, is $58.83 billion, and total value is locked up. When you look and you click over to the chains and you see what is making up that amount of money, Ethereum is 33 of that 50-something billion. Crypto.com, you'll see in here, Cronos, is actually just under 2% at about $896 million. Well, that's quite less than Ethereum, you might say. That's not very bullish at all. Well, quite contraire. If you check out the DeFi Llama and you look at the ranking of these total value locked up smart contract plays, Ethereum is number 1. Again, at 33 billion. Tron is number 2, only at 5 billion. And so you go down here and you look at Binance, Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Arbitrum, and Cronos coming in at number 8. Cronos is already a top 10 DeFi play. Should that make it a top 10 coin? Well, if that doesn't, then reason number 2 that I'm bullish and why you might want to consider Cronos might make you think so. Exclusive, Crypto.com passed the 50 million user mark. Now, I did a video on this one too, and basically the scoop is that when you look at Crypto.com's growth, they went from 10 million users to 5 million, 50 million users in the snap of a finger. And this 50 million user mark is only reporting since March of this year in 2022. And so they could be quite bigger than this right now. compare this to Binance. Last reported for Binance was 90 million, so they might be at about 120 billion right now, a million users right now. So, you know, Crypto.com is half as big as Binance. And if that's the case, well, then when you look at the charts, if Crypto.com was half as big as Binance, well, $3 billion market cap for Crypto.com today. You look at Binance, $44 billion market cap. Half of that is $22 billion. And then you look at the top 10 coins, and the biggest coin in the top 10, at number 10 slot, is $8 billion for Dogecoin. You know, if the users for Crypto.com are half as big as the users for Binance, well, then the market cap could, and maybe arguably should, be half as big as Binance. That makes it a top 10 coin right there. I am bullish because of that. Reason number 3. Lakers news, Crypto.com arena set to undergo the largest renovation in venue history. So back in I think it was 2021 in November, the Crypto.com team put up $700 million to buy the naming rights to the Staples Center where the Lakers play, and now they're going to renovate it. And so the renovation should be done in 2023, 2024 most likely, just in time for the bull run. And that will make for some great story as they unveil this new arena, which makes me bullish for the future of Crypto.com. Not to mention the other things we mentioned. Reason number 4. FIFA World Cup's coming up. This is happening in November and December. It's going on for about a month. They are on the list of the 2022 sponsors list. This is the complete official sponsor list for you guys. And so when you look at it, at the time of writing, there are 7 named sponsors ahead of the competition. And these sponsors are BYJU, ', Crypto.com, Qatar Energy, Budweiser, I don't know that one, McDonald's, and Vivo. Crypto.com is the only cryptocurrency exchange listed on this list of sponsors. So this is huge for them. To be able to get onto this list of sponsors is absolutely fantastic. I think when this news comes out, this will be a driver to push some price action up. Maybe get us back up to that 20 cent level before the end of the year. That is reason number 4. Reason number 5, look at Crypto.com's website. If you haven't done so already, you got to do your due diligence, because you'll notice when you compare Crypto.com app to Binance and FTX, you look at this, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. That's the first thing they promote. Join 50 million users by buying and selling cryptocurrencies at your cost. You can spend with their Crypto.com card, which could be reason number 6, but I'm going to include this in reason number 5. The Crypto.com card is very cool. The benefits, yes, they used to be better, but they're still pretty fantastic and very easy to use. And you can receive rewards on this app. But the big story here is that the world's fastest growing crypto app, they're focusing on the iPhone. They're focusing on the mobile phone markets, Google and Android. You can see that here. They are trying to grow. And by focusing on the mobile side, stronger than the other exchanges, arguably, they're putting themselves in a position to not only be a bigger project than the others if they continue to have the growth that they've had, but to make it into the top 10, maybe into the top 5 crypto projects. I've also done a video where I talk about, is Crypto.com going to surpass Binance Coin? You can check that video out as well. There's an argument to be made, folks. I'm very bullish on Crypto.com. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy, Crypto Kip, with the Crypto Report, talking about one of my favorite projects. We talk about all of crypto as a whole. I have many other projects than just Crypto.com, but it's absolutely my personal favorite exchange token. Let me know if it's yours in the chat box down below. If you like Binance, if you like FTX better, maybe you don't like centralized exchanges at all. Let me know in the chat down below. It really helps us out in understanding what the community is thinking, because after all, that's exactly what this is. We are a part of the CRO community, the CRO family, and the crypto community as a whole. Gotta love Bitcoin, gotta love ETH. Hang in there. The markets are hurting today, but there's a lot of reasons to be bullish for the future. We're waiting for the 2024, 2025 Bitcoin halving when we know, or we expect, a crypto pump to come along. You think it's going to happen? Let me know in the chat. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe. to the channel. And as always, do not forget to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you guys right here if you want to check them out. Also, if you want a $4,100 bonus, you can get that by signing up for Femex using the link in the description down below. By the way, we're on our journey to 10K subscribers. Once we hit 10K subs, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to 1 lucky subscriber. So check it out, guys. We'll see you next time.